Well, good morning. Hiccups still here. Um, Maxed out on sleeping pills last night, and I still woke up like maybe 3.5 hours after I fell asleep. Hiccup been re real bad for the past like 3 days or so. Just trying to make it through, you know. It's been tough, you know. I'm just tired of it. Tired of not sleep, sleeping. Well, what's worse is when it does these quick double back-to-backs. Uh, it's hard for you guys to see it, but it's here, man. Just tired of it. I don't know if you guys can see my stomach, how it jumps. And if anybody asks me to lift up my shirt, I'm gonna block you. That's disrespectful. I'm not doing these videos for publicity. Well, in a way I am, but the publicity is to get a cure. It's been a year and 8 months and I'm still punishing. I do get breaks. When I get breaks, I try to eat, try to gain back some weight. I was down to 149 the other day, 6'2" tall, and I'm wearing 149. That's that cool. And what's worse right now is that every time I start moving, I get these little choking spasms, some short ones. It's just frustrated. Sucks all my energy out of me. I don't know, man. If anybody found anything out there that cures hiccup, please let me know. I know I need a haircut, need a shave. Haven't had much motivation to do anything. I have learned how to keep my mouth closed so don't make that hiccup noise like that. But once I'm talking, it's hard to control all of it. Just still here trying to find a cure, man. I know a lot of people post hiccup videos for fun and for likes, for views. I'm posting to try get a cure. Know if you got that little choking thing just now, that's what it's been doing past few days. Those burp comes with it too. Yeah, man, it's driving me crazy. controlling my life. Try to fight it. Try not think about it. But it also often give me these terrible acid burns from my stomach coming straight up to my throat. That just makes it worse because that burning is ridiculous. And when that happens, sitting down, laying down makes it worse. But it's hard to stay standing up because I'm so weak. So it's like I'm just losing, man. I'm just so sleepy and tired, but I can't sleep. Anyways, I'm still running behind a cure that I don't even know where the cure is. Still trying to find it. Anybody know any doctor, anyone willing to try to help me? Hey man, let me know. It's not just me out here with it. It's a lot of us. I know an 8-year-old girl has it. She been having it for 6 years. She don't get them as long as I do. Think she gets a break every 3 to 5 days, which I'm so happy for her. But just dealing with this for an hour is stressful, frustrating, and that little girl should be enjoying her you know. So I'm not just trying to find a cure for myself. I'm trying to find a cure for everybody I know has this same issues that I have. So sorry I look like a mess. Like I'm probably homeless, but I'm trying. Anyway, guys, peace out. Have a blessed Wednesday. Just never give up, okay? Never give up.